Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to create Gmail account using the Gmail app on your mobile phone. First open the Gmail app on your phone. If you don't have the app, download it from the Google Play Store. Next, tap on create account and choose for myself. After that, enter your first name and last name. Then tap next. Now enter your date of birth and gender and tap next. Choose a Gmail username. If it's not available, try a different one. Next, create a strong password and confirm it. Finally, read the privacy and terms, then tap I agree. That's it. Your Gmail account is now ready to use. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.